Oh my God, so it's so much fun on set on Traceyboakyetv. This thing called Love Movie, and look at that. I always have fun with my crew. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We are ready to bring you more exciting content. Traceyboakyetv. Watch out. A new movie coming. A night with my ex. We love you guys. Look at my crew. Look at them.
I'm the PA/props.
I'm not the producer. I'm the makeup. Hey. I'm not the producer. I'm the costumier.
I'm not the producer. I'm the makeup artist.
I'm not the producer. I'm the actor.
I'm not the producer. Miji actress.
I'm not the producer. I'm the artistic director.
I am the producer.